Hi, I'm Rita. I work at Health by Matcha, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect matcha latte. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use a teaspoon today, but I really recommend using a golden measuring spoon if you have multiple people working at the place. For the traditional measurement, you can also use the bamboo spoon. We always recommend using 1.7 to 2 grams of matcha for a glass like this. Add this to a mixing bowl. A mixing bowl is really good to use for the preparation of matcha because it not only has like a spout to refill it into a cup, which is really handy, it's also big enough and large enough for the movement of the whisk. You're gonna see in a second what I mean. We're gonna add the warm water. The key here is warm water, not hot water. 60 to 80 degrees is perfect. If you're using the water straight from the espresso machine, from the coffee machine, of course that's hotter, but we really suggest mixing it with cold water so you have the perfect temperature, because if the water is too hot, the color, the taste, and especially all the benefits of the matcha will just be gone. So I'm adding my warm water, just a splash first. And then I'm gonna start whisking. This is our bamboo whisk called a chasen, and we're gonna start whisking. The key here is to whisk, not to stir. It's a zigzag movement, not around, but a up and down movement. You're painting an M into the matcha. And you're gonna see a really fine and beautiful foam forming on the matcha. That's a sign for really high quality matcha. I'm gonna transfer our water matcha mixture into the cup. We always recommend a 50-50 ratio of water and milk. That's why we're adding a bit more water. We just eyeball in half of the cup. And the rest we will fill up with steamed plant-based milk. We recommend this ratio because if you will add more milk to the matcha taste will just be not as present as you would like it to be. Adding the steamed milk of choice. And our perfect warm matcha latte is done. Thank you for watching. Small bonus tip, you can prepare up to 4 matchas in our mixing bowl. Just add 2, 3 or 4 times the amount of matcha into the bowl and whisk it smoothly and then divide it up into your cups.